Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to make clever logos. So let's start. First, I write broken in the font Montserrat bold and align it with align. And don't forget to create outlines. Shift plus Control plus 0 and left click and ungroup. So basically, it's very easy. It's not very uh, much taking time. It's very simple. So first I rotate this to feel like this is broken. This and okay. So and I draw a rectangle with drag, no shift and alt this and copy it with alt and right click this like okay and zoom in with control space bar and right click and cut with rectangle and cut it with rectangle. We cut it with rectangle. Okay. So this and shift and right click pathfinder and this. Okay. And rotate it with right click. Rotate, hold mouse and drag it with. So it's rotate and I think it's cut with this like good and shift and right click and again cut. So it's very beautiful and it's like broken logo. It's clever logo basically. And shift and right click again. So control G and make it with increase the size with shift and alt and right click. Okay. So if you guys like my video, if you like my video then do subscribe and don't forget to subscribe and comment and share and share it with your friends and family. uh, don't forget to press the bell icon for more exciting videos. So if you want this kind of videos like clever logos and other logos, so I'll do it for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.